Let's find exactly right in here. Right here. So this is as much twist as I get. Right? Good. Relax a little bit more. Here. So what we're doing, loosen the head, and then we're just pushing in like this. Good. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I needed it.
I got that to move a little bit, so that was good. Let's do the other side, all right?
Yes, sir.
And this one a little bit harder. Good. Turn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Dr. Tubio, I'm going to be honest with you. I had people had to go to like Mexico.
Yeah.
And then when I touch my neck, I just leave the room. I was like, you know, I'm okay. I couldn't trust them, you know? I don't want to, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh, God, I needed it.